Hi, I'm out here on a small hike today on a small island called Earl in Limfjorden, close to the city where I live. It's supposed to be summer, the calendar says, but I guess the weather gods didn't get that memo. I brought with me some smoked meat and some bread, and I just found here alongside the coastline some seaside sandwort, and it's gonna make a good addition to my small meal. I'll find some place here that is a little bit sheltered from the wind and the rain, and just relax and kick back for an hour. So yeah, follow along. As I said, I found these seaside sandwort, and these taste great, and a little bit of crunchy and taste a little bit like cucumber, and I'm gonna pick myself some for my meal. So here you see seaside sandwort, a small plant, grows in through spring and summer. Yeah, I'm gonna take them with me. Now time to get out of the rain and out of the wind. Here I found a spot out of the wind, and we have a cuckoo nearby. That's nice. As I mentioned, it's just a small hike. You know, a couple of hours outside. It's more than enough sometimes with a small adventure. Well, first off, a cup of coffee and a little bit to eat. And as the coffee goes, I can tell you a little bit what I brought today. A classic. It's the PUMA Duke, and it's the middle size of the three in that series, or the three identical knives. A timeless knife. See mosquito country here. Some of the seaside sandwort I found, just to give it a little crunch and have a little fun foraging. Sometimes you don't need those big adventures or nights out or big hunting trips or anything. A couple of hours outside in nature can really get your batteries up as well. And today I'm treating myself. I'll show you after this. There, the course is set for dessert, and cigar, my nice ashtray to cut the cigar, and a little glass of whiskey. Perfect. A big plus with the cigar here is the smoke will hunt the mosquitoes away. I also brought with me today, because I want to have a luxury day out here, the ashtray from PUMA, the Red Deer Cross-Track ashtray, made in brass, really solid, numbered pieces, really unique and really beautiful ashtray. And for me, with the Duke with it here, this is like the perfect gentleman set. It's so beautiful and has so much style. It's really cool. So yeah, the thing with Microadventures is it's good for, you know, quick recharge of your batteries, but they're micro, so I have to pack down and catch a ferry out of here in just a minute or two. Subscribe to our videos and like please, and share if you want. Find us on Instagram and Facebook or pumaknives.de, and we'll link to the products. And see you next time.